Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing apps from the home screen of your Android phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Hold down on the app that you would like to remove from your home screen. When the options appear, tap on Remove. The app will then be removed from your home screen. The app will be relocated to your app screen. If you would like to get it back on your home screen, then hold down on it again and then tap on Add to Home. The app will be added back to your home screen. It will be on the last page of your home screen though, so if you want it to be in the same place as before, hold down on it and drag it to your desired location. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.